What's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today I'm going to be taking a quick look at the rear view mirror glass from Daniel Carpenter, designed for 1988 to 1993 convertible Fox Mustangs. So unlike the coupe and hatchback models where you can purchase a complete rear view mirror assembly, the current option for 88 to 93 convertible cars is to replace the glass itself. This is because of the intricate design and the 88 to 93 convertible specific rear view mirror assembly. Now, the reason you want to replace the rear view mirror glass is that over time, the factory coating begins to delaminate or separate from the glass, which looks spotty and hinders overall visibility. DCR's rear view mirror glass is a very close representation of the factory glass. It features the same wedge profile, so that the manual dimming capability still functions for nighttime driving, and if it matters, the edges are nice and smooth for safe handling and installation. DCR uses a high gloss reflective coating on the backside to not only ensure great reflectivity, but to restore a vital safety component. As stated previously, this replacement glass is designed for 1988 to 1993 convertible Fox Mustangs. To get started, you'll want to remove the mirror from the metal button. This is done by loosening the set screw with a 5/64 Allen wrench, or in some cases, depressing the metal tension spring, which is mentioned in DCR's instructions. Remove the mirror assembly from the button and then disconnect the electrical connection. Place the rear view mirror upside down on a workbench. Use a small flathead screwdriver and carefully pry up on the map lights to remove them from the assembly. Now, the next steps will need to be done with some finesse. Since you're working with old plastic parts, be careful when you dislodge the plastic frame from the assembly. Ford uses small plastic clips to secure the frame to the assembly, which can easily break if you go at this like a bull in a china closet. Work your way around the entire perimeter of the frame until it is fully removed from the assembly. Remove the old glass and then take this time to clean any dust or crud from the mirror assembly. A soft bristled brush and compressed air will easily dislodge any dirt and dust. Now, when doing this, be sure you don't lose any of the small rubber dampening pads. With the assembly clean, position the wide portion of the new glass towards the top. Make note of the 3 tabs on the frame, as this will install at the top of the assembly as well. Align the frame and then push it into the plastic clips. Now, if for some reason you feel that the frame is just a touch loose, don't freak out or get frustrated, as I have had this happen from time to time when replacing the rear view mirror glass on convertibles, and I'm going to show you an easy fix. Carefully remove the frame and get you some black RTV silicone. Dab a little bit of silicone onto a small flathead screwdriver and spread the silicone underneath all of the small clips inside of the frame. You'll want to use a pliable adhesive for this so that it can be separated if you ever need to remove the frame again. If you use adhesives such as epoxy or super glue, you run the risk of damaging the frame and assembly if you ever need to disassemble it for whatever reason. Realign the frame and push it into place. Flip the mirror over so that the frame is making contact with a level surface, and cover both sides of the assembly with some towels. Find something around the house or shop that weighs about 5 to 10 pounds and place it on top of the towels. Leave this alone for a few hours so that the RTV has adequate curing time, and then you can reinstall the mirror into the car. Reconnect the electrical connection, and then slide the mirror over the metal button. Snug down the set screw, and then you're good to go. As always, for the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things Fox Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.